I mean, I've been creating content for the past sort of year and a half now. It's been going well. Glad you've been enjoying it and stuff like that. But I think the main thing I've been struggling with, and the main reason I joined Founder OS Velocity is really to kind of take the operation side just completely away from me. Obviously, starting out, the main thing I was focused on was creating content and trying to put out as much volume as possible to kind of grow. I think I'm aiming for here really is to fix my fulfillment, really put in some more systems to have better marketing in place. One thing I was actually going to ask you about today, Matt, is your process for workshops. I feel like it's something that's been mentioned quite a lot in the Slack recently. What I'm trying to do is transition more away from setting from lead magnets and people who have opted in to watch YouTube content and stuff like that. I feel like my business is very reliant on the setting process at the moment in my DMs. What would be your kind of advice, I suppose, in terms of transitioning to more towards that, leaning on my email list a bit more and kind of launching that way?
The quick take on workshops. In as you guys probably saw, right, in the general channel there, in Velocity's Slack, Sean shared a pretty detailed update on like the breakdown and the playbook that we have and all that. Basically, like for the last almost 4 years probably now, I've done a workshop every single month. The original sort of inspiration for it was just like, it felt like a good way to like move a lot of like these like kind of shallow sort of like relationships like on things like Instagram or X, where it's just like people viewing your stuff for say 15 seconds, to then like a more like in-depth like hour and a half, even 2-hour session where I'm like genuinely helping people, getting to know them, their problems, and then making an offer for Founder OS at the end of it. Over the course of like the last 4 years, it's probably generated like over $5 million to the company. So they also do a really good job of driving demand. And aside from that too, I think it's an opportunity, like even if say there's 500 people live on one and say 40 people purchase, let's just say, there's still like another 460 people that have like experienced something, watched it, almost like streaming in a way, that I think it's like really good for just like putting more of a face to the brand and like a relationship there. And I think that compounds over time. So yeah, I can definitely like, I mean, I do them still because I enjoy them and they're effective. So I definitely recommend them. I think like anything, it's like, it's a long game. Like, you know, I think the first one I had like 30 people show up and then like 60, then, you know, so on and so forth. Right. And you gradually get better and better and find different ways of doing things. To kind of get you guys going, like, one piece of it that's important is like the pre and post workshop emails. So you have people go and you'll see this all across like my platforms right now. I have people, the core thing I'm driving across all content essentially about a week out from the workshop is I'm driving everyone to the workshop link to sign up. So as an example, this carousel that was posted like a day ago, it gets people to DM coffee. And when they do, we sign them up to the workshop, which happens in 5 hours. So like it's happening today. And so basically, they on Instagram, they DM coffee. On LinkedIn, it's linked in my bio. So like if you just go to my LinkedIn as an example, it's there. So essentially what's happening is like, so there it is right there. Basically, if you think about a calendar month of 30 days, the core call to action for say 20 days is generally driving people to my newsletter. And then the core call to action for 10 days of the month is the workshop. And it's kind of like, those are like the two pistons of like the engine in a way. Okay. And so, from there, when people sign up, like they just go to a landing page like this, nothing special, just pretty basic, like pretty simple, just get people in. And, they get into an email flow. So this is the email flow more or less. This is a little old now, but like it gives you a sense of kind of what it all looks like. And so we have, emails going out 1 hour prior, 30 minutes after the workshop, so on and so forth, right? Kind of like sending them a few emails before, a few emails after, just to get them to attend. Cool. I just put this in the chat. So you can check these out, Sam, and like make your own. There's a bunch of templates there. So you'll see what I mean by it. But that's an important piece, obviously, right? Because what you're trying to do is get signups for the workshop. But then what you're also trying to do is get as many people live on the workshop as possible. The math of a workshop or a webinar or whatever you want to call it, masterclass, it's all kind of the same thing, is you get around 10% of people that sign up live. And then you get around 15% of people that join live to convert. So that's kind of like the funnel math to it, right? At least those are like industry standard numbers, right? So that's kind of like how I look at it. And then when you're on it, what I've learned over time is like, I've tried a bunch of different formats for the workshops. I've tried ones where they're like super like scripted, then decks, then more off the cuff. I think the most important thing these days is for people to feel like it's dynamic, it's real, like it's happening. So like I'm like sharing my screen, I'm going through things, I'm jamming with them. These days I call people up on stage. So like I'll get them in the DMs being like, okay, let me know where your business is at, the current stage it's at revenue wise per month, and your biggest problem. And then I go and pick people that honestly just feel interesting to me to kind of like bring up on stage. I try to mix up like women, men, all that good stuff. And then I'll just like, hey, Sally, I'm just going to let you up here. You can unmute yourself and ask me a question. And then the person like unmutes themselves. They're like talking to me on it. I'm like sharing my screen with the Google Doc where I'm like helping them with shit. And then it's like, oh shit, like he's like interacting with this person. Like he's helping them live with their business. Like it just feels like dynamic and entertaining. And it's kind of like streaming in a way, you know? And it kind of recreates like a whiteboard experience with me in person in a way where it's I'm live helping a founder with their business in a visual way. So, and then at the end, I kind of just let them know like, hey, this is all good. I can give you all this information, but it's nothing if you don't have like accountability and, you know, someone really going and providing you with the support when you get off track. And the truth is like 97% of the time when you're building something, you're off track. And the question is, does it take you an hour to get back on track? Or does it take you a month to get back on track? And that's what we help folks with in Founder OS. It's community, it's support, and it's the systems I've used over the last 16 years to build multiple profitable companies. And so this sounds interesting to you. This is what's included in it. No pressure at all. You can go and book a call with my team below. Go book a call there, book a 15-minute systems audit. We can get to know your business more and we'll take it from there. And then I kind of answer more questions. I'll do like another kind of pitch, just, you know, whatever feels right. I don't like overthink it, but I do make an effort to like pitch. The one thing I notice with people that do these for the first time, one thing that they make a mistake on is they don't just like bring the energy, like just being yourself, being dynamic, rocking and rolling, like have some fun with it. Like just be in your own vibe, right? Like people will just like that. And they're going to be like, I like the subject matter. He's clearly smart and I like his energy. Let's do this. Like that's a lot of what's going on if they work with you. So like really leaning into that more than anything. Like we can talk forever about structure and decks and all this, but what matters most is really just you showing up and just showing people what you got in your own way. So that's that. The second thing that people screw up is they don't, if they're looking to make an offer, they don't pitch. Like, and what I mean is like this. They'll have an offer, like Sam, maybe there's yours, right? You help people say, systemize their personal brand. Let's just say that was the offer, right? You know you're going to pitch it. You know like what the price is and you know like how you sell people, but you almost feel like weird on the call with all these people that signed up for this thing to like actually just pitch it. So you kind of breeze over it in too much of a low key way where you're like, all right, well guys, if you enjoyed this, awesome. Like I got this thing over here. You know, if you're interested at all, it's kind of what we do. So you can just go and like hit that button if you're interested, no pressure. And it's like too chill. Whereas like I'm not saying to be salesy, but definitely try to over-index a little bit more on like pitch it, like give yourself 10 minutes, get into it, the kind of people you help, some success stories. What if people think they don't have enough time? Well, we actually help save you time. The systems we'll do for your personal brand will actually give you your time back. What if you don't have enough money? Totally get it. This is definitely an investment. We're looking to work with people that are serious. You know, what if, what is it exactly? This is what's entailed in it. and kind of like give yourself like 5 to 6 minutes or so to like just talk about it, like talk about your shit and be proud of it. And people need to reframe like, oh, I feel like I'm selling, to no, you're serving people. Like these people have been on this for an hour learning from you, and there's like fucking 50 people on the call that love your energy and like would want to do something with you. So like let them know like how they can do more shit with you. Right. So that's kind of the quick and dirty of it. The workshop template emails I gave you two there in the chat will give you like the email structure around it, because not only are you selling people on the workshop, but it's recorded and you send that to everyone that signed up the day after. So even if they didn't attend, they're getting a recording, right? So a bunch of people are going to watch that too and then apply or look to work with you. And the follow-up emails are important because like they'll keep on squeezing people that like, you know, registered to then get on to like the next step with you. And you can see how I've done that in my templates. In terms of a recording of it, I believe there was a recording sent. So Sean had sent a bit of a digest here on workshops in the general channel of Velocity right here. And there's this workshop recording example. When you go there, it's like this example right here. So it's an hour 46 recording. You can literally see a whole workshop from me. So I'm also running one. Like, yeah, of course. I'm running one too in like 4.5 hours. So I'll put the link for the workshop in the chat as well. Like you could sign up even and get the recording, get the series, like understand how it all works, like see the most recent one too, if that's interesting. So